FEIN have been making rather awesome power tools for over 100 years, like this fantastic 18-volt drill. I mean, just check this out. But it's not just a drill. If I do this, it's now a screwdriver. If I do this, it's now a drill. How cool is that? But they do so many other tools inside the 18-volt range as well. So we've got little drills, we've got grinders, we've got die grinders, we've got big rattle guns, and we've also got little rattle guns and many other things in between. In the 18-volt range, all of these come with these rather superb hard plastic cases with these metal buckles. And if we open this one up, inside here, we've got a Multimaster 700. I got on these about 18 months ago and they are absolutely fantastic. Use them for all sorts of things, whether it's at home for cutting down door bottoms, whether it's in the workshop here working on Land Rovers, cutting off suspension bolts. Absolutely fantastic. But there's great news. If you buy any of these tool bodies, doesn't matter if it's one of these or one of these or multiples of, when you buy 2 of them, pop up to fein.com, register your 3-year warranty here, and in exchange, they will give you a free battery charger and not 1, but 2 of these free 18-volt batteries. So that's a proper deal. So any 2 18-volt bodies and you'll get yourself a free charger and 2 free batteries as soon as you register for your 3-year warranty. So pop on down to gigglepinwinches.com and you'll find all the tools on there for sale, or pop on over to fein.com and you'll find out more information about more local distributors near your area. Catch you soon.